Hey there, this is Emmanuel with Funtown RV, and today we have a treat for you guys. We're doing a walkthrough of the 2022 Ember 191 MSL. Let's go take a look. All right guys, we know y'all are excited for this floor plan, so let's get straight into it. Up front, we're gonna have our Versa coupler hitch. This is gonna be fully adjustable to the height of your truck or your towing vehicle. We're also gonna have this steel storage compartment. In one door, you'll see we have our dual propane tanks, and the other side we can use for general storage. Our pass-through storage isn't gonna be massive, and you'll see once we go inside why that is. But if you look over here, you'll see our solar controller. This camper is gonna be prepped with a 190 watt solar panel and a 1000 watt inverter. So check it out guys, right above me, we're gonna have our nice large awning, again, lined with the beautiful LED lights. You'll see we have dual pane tinted windows on this Ember. It's gonna be great for managing the climate outside the camper. Ember, of course, has included our Lippert solid steps, only 3 steps as this camper is not too high off the ground. All right guys, this is the 191 MSL. The SL stands for storage locker, and here's why. We have a massive door that's gonna allow us to access the cargo area underneath the bunks. In our storage compartment here, you'll notice that it comes standard with the mosquito net. This is because these bunks are fully adjustable. We can use this storage compartment if we wanna store our bikes, store our canoes, store our camping gear, or we can adjust this bunk to be able to turn into a desk. So if you wanna keep this door open as you work from your camper, that's definitely an option. All right, check this out guys. We have a second door to our cargo storage compartment. It's gonna be perfect for storing our canoes, storing some of our longer items that need to go in our cargo space. It could also be used as an emergency exit. On this coach, we're prepped for a backup camera and side view cameras as well, which I know will come in handy when you're off the grid. We always have our Lippert on-the-go ladder. This is a telescopic ladder that attaches to the back or can be used on the side of this RV. All right guys, on the driver's side, towards the front of this Ember, we're gonna have our Nautilus water system, our outdoor shower. We're also gonna have prep for additional solar panels on the outside of this camper. You'll notice we also have this red switch labeled tank heater. It's exactly as it's labeled. We have 12 volt tank heaters on this coach. So that was the exterior of our Ember. Now let's go inside and check out some more features. Here we are inside our Ember 191 MSL. Right away, you're gonna notice we have this beautiful couch in the slide that we have here. It is a jackknife sofa, so it turns into a queen size, technically a queen size bed. And you might also see there are some cubbies behind it. That's actually built-in storage to the interior of this slide. It's gonna be completely enclosed. It's not gonna have access from the outside. So it's perfect for storing blankets, clothes, whatever it is you may need. All right guys, up at the front here, you'll notice we do have a Murphy bed right behind me. That Murphy bed is gonna be queen size, which we'll see in a minute. Ember also does include this removable table. It's good for our Murphy sofa or for our sofa that is in the slide that we can use as a pull-out bed as well. It's just perfect if we're having a quick meal or if we're doing work from our RV. Right next to me, you'll see our Furrion 12 volt TV with the built-in soundbar. We aren't gonna have any speakers on the inside of the camper or on the outside, but we do have this soundbar. Up above me, of course, we know the signature stargazer acrylic window that we have. It does open up. It's a European style window, so just make sure you close that up before you hit the road. But it has a daytime blind, and it also has a blackout shade. And of course, Ember maximizes all the space that we have in this RV and includes some additional storage space right above the bed. For our kitchen in this RV, we are going to have the essentials. Starting with our stainless steel basin sink. We have a nice large sink here. Beautifully dark finished faucet head. We also have our 2-burner stovetop by Greystone. Above that, we have our Greystone hood vent and our Furrion microwave. Let's not forget our 12 volt fridge that comes standard in our Embers. Perfect addition to our kitchen setup, the only missing piece. And here we are in the main feature of this RV. We have completely customizable bunk beds here. We can completely remove them if we want as well, or just adjust them to what we're using them for. So if we still need to store things underneath, we still have 2 sleeping spaces up above, or we could remove one of these bunks and turn one of them into a desk, as you can take off this cushion that we have. The restrooms in these Embers have super cool additions, the main of which being the shower miser feature that they do include. This allows you to save that precious water that you have in your tanks. And for our medicine cabinet, we're gonna have nicely backlit mirror, obviously opens up to reveal more storage. Below that, we have our standard sink with a nice dark finish on the faucet. As you can see, guys, here we are on our queen size Murphy bed. You'll see the Furrion TVs in a perfect position for watching as we lay in bed. We have built-in cubby space as well if we need to charge our phone and place it there, place a bottle of water. We also do have an important feature I want to point out, is an additional emergency exit right to the right side of me here. Alrighty, that was a walkthrough of the 191 MSL by Ember Overland. If you want to get additional specifications and features, we're going to have a link to this unit down below. Guys, thank y'all so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember that the fun starts here.